Today, we have some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra, which just appeared on Geekbench. We've got the performance scores and some interesting hardware details to share. So let's dive into what we've learned. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra, under the model name SMS938U, was spotted on Geekbench. Now, this is likely the US version of the phone. The most exciting part is its benchmark scores, which give us a first look at how powerful this new flagship will be. Here's the breakdown. According to Geekbench, the single-core performance score for the Galaxy S25 Ultra came in at 3069 points, while the multi-core performance score hit 98 points. These numbers are a significant improvement over the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Just for comparison, the S24 Ultra had a single-core score of 2143 points and a multi-core score of 6696 points. So we're seeing a significant boost in power. The single-core score is about 43% higher, while the multi-core score shows a 35% improvement. That's pretty impressive, especially since the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to be lighter and slimmer than its predecessor. Speaking of the design, leaked renders of the Galaxy S25 Ultra show that Samsung is making some noticeable changes. It's rumored to be shedding even more width, making it slimmer than the Galaxy S24 Ultra. But here's a twist. Samsung is reportedly moving back to rounded edges for this model. That's a big shift, considering the sharp-edged look that the Ultra line has had for the past few years. Some fans might miss the sleek, sharp design, but the rounded edges could make the phone more comfortable to hold. Let us know what you think about this design change in the comments. One of the biggest talking points around the Galaxy S25 Ultra is its potential integration with Galaxy AI. Samsung has been pushing its AI technologies hard, and this might just be the feature that sets the S25 Ultra apart. Could AI optimization become the phone's biggest selling point? It's too early to say, but the potential is huge. Now, let's move on to some more details from the Geekbench listing. The tested model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra came with 12 gigabytes of RAM. That's the same amount we saw in the Galaxy S24 Ultra, so nothing new there yet. However, don't assume that all versions of the S25 Ultra will have 12 gigabytes. We could still see variants with higher or even lower RAM options. The Galaxy S25 Ultra also runs on Android 15, which is great news for software updates. This phone could potentially support Android updates all the way up to Android 22. So if you're thinking about longevity, this device is going to be a solid investment for years to come. One thing we're particularly excited about is Android 15's 16 kilobytes page size support. Once developers start tapping into that, we could see the performance really kick into high gear. Under the hood, the Geekbench results reveal that the Galaxy S25 Ultra is powered by an octa-core Qualcomm processor with a maximum clock speed of 4.19 GHz in 2025. With its major performance upgrades, sleek design changes, and a promise of long-term software support, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the best phones next year. What are your thoughts on the Geekbench scores and the other features we discussed? Are you excited about the return to rounded edges, or do you prefer the sharp design? And do you think Galaxy AI will be the phone's standout feature? Let us know in the comments section below. That's it for today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates on the latest mobile tech. As always, see you in the next video. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two: the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung W25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Yan also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. A leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.